Hey everyone, welcome back to Ashu Official. I am Faz and this is another solo video in my English fluency series made just for you. Today's topic is very close to my heart because I know this is something that holds so many people back. You know what to say, you even speak English well in your head, but the moment you stand up to speak in front of others, your heart races, your mouth goes dry, and your brain totally blank. Yes, we are talking about public speaking. But here's the truth that most people won't tell you. Public speaking isn't a talent, it's a skill. And like any other skill, it can be learned with the right steps. So in this video, I'm going to give you the exact roadmap to go from nervous and unsure to confident and impactful speaker, even if you are just getting started in English. So let's begin. Part 1. Why public speaking feels so scary? Here's why. When we speak in front of others, our brain feels exposed. We worry about making mistakes, being judged, forgetting our words, and looking stupid. But let me tell you something powerful. People don't remember your mistakes, they remember your energy, your clarity, your story. And all of that can be trained. Part 2. 3 types of confidence you need to become a confident speaker. You don't just need English, you need 3 layers of confidence. First, confidence in content. Know what you're going to say, have a clear message. Example, if you're talking about how to save money as a student, have 3 strong points ready. Second, confidence in language. This doesn't mean perfect English, it means clear English. Use phrases you are comfortable with. Like, let me share a quick story, or here's the main idea, or I believe that. Third, confidence in delivery. This is your body language, voice, and pace. Slow down, smile, pause before a key point. These small things make huge difference. Part 3. Real techniques to practice public speaking. Now let's get practical. Here are 5 exercises you can start today to boost your speaking confidence. First, mirror talk. Daily 2 minutes, stand in front of a mirror. Pick a topic like my favorite movie, a mistake I made, or what I learned last week. Speak for just 2 minutes. Watch your face, your expression, your hands. Don't aim for perfection, aim for comfort. Second, voice note practice. Record yourself explaining a concept in English. Example, how to make chai. Then listen to it. Notice, did you sound natural? Were there so many pauses? Were your sentences clear? This builds self-awareness, the number one tool for confident speaking. Third, speak to one, not to all. When speaking to a group, pretend you are talking to just one person. The simple mindset tricks takes off a lot of pressure and helps you sound personal, not robotic. And hey, if you are tired of learning English alone and you want personal guidance to improve your speaking, pronunciation, and public speaking skills, I offer one-on-one English coaching sessions designed just for real-life fluency. No boring grammar drills, just real speaking practice, feedback, and fun sessions. Click the link in the description to join, and let's speak English together. 4. Script it, then speak it freely. Write down 1-minute script on any topic. Then try speaking it without reading, like you're explaining it to a friend. This builds flow and slowly removes your fear of forgetting words. 5. Go public slowly. Once you have practiced, try these challenges. Send a voice notes to a friend in English. Share a short English video on WhatsApp status. Or volunteer to speak in class or online sessions. Confidence grows by doing, not just thinking. Part 4. The truth about sounding professional. Here's a simple but powerful truth. You don't need to sound smart to speak well. You need to sound clear, calm, and real. Simple words, clear structure, and genuine energy. That's what makes people listen. Let me show you how. Instead of saying in accordance with our previous discussion, just say as we discussed earlier. See the difference. One is fake, the other is human. That's how professional speakers speak, and that's how you can speak. A bonus tip. What to do if you go blank. Even the best speakers forget words. Here's what to do. Pause, breathe, and smile. Second, say, give me a second, or let me rephrase that. Third, then pick it up again. The audience won't mind. They will respect your honesty. It's not about being perfect, it's about handling imperfection confidently. Now let's wrap it up. To become a confident public speaker, Train your message, not just your English. Practice in small, safe spaces. Focus on clarity over complexity. Keep showing up, even when it feels scary. And remember, the secret to public speaking isn't in your mouth, it is in your mindset. If this video helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Ashu Official. And for more such videos, check out my channel Fluency Journey, where I break it down step by step. You can speak with power, you just need to start. See you soon, my friend.